Hi everyone, welcome back to math. So we've learned about the number 0, the number 1, and the number 2. Today we're going to learn about the number 3. How exciting! Before we do that, let's do some review. Quick with your fingers, show me 1. Yes, 1. With your fingers, now show me 2. Yes, 2. And now with your fingers, show me 3. This one's tricky because we didn't do it yet. 3, very good. Now with your fingers, show me 0. Yes, that means we have no fingers up because 0 means none. Very good. Let's practice our counting with our counting man. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yay, very good. Now today we're going to add on 3 and we're going to start with our counting man today because I think you're going to want to see how he looks. We're going to add one of his arms. So I'm going to come on over to my counting man and put his arm right here. And you'll see he has a 3 right there on his arm. So now when we count, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And on your body, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Silent cheers. Great counting, everybody. Now let's try to see if we can find 3 objects. I'm going to go on over to my other camera so you can see what I'm looking at. Oh, wow. What do we have here? We have some bears. Do you think we can count the bears? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Show me with your fingers how many bears. Yes, 3 bears. Very good. Shake out those fingers. We have a daddy bear, a mama bear, and a baby bear. It's a happy bear family of 3. Let's see if we can get some other objects with just 3. So I have some markers, and I only want 3 colors. So help me count them out so I only have 3 colors. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do I need this blue one? No, because then it would be more than 3. I can put the blue marker away. Now let's see. I have a whole bunch of squares. Do you see all my squares? Can you help me count so I only have 3 squares? Oh, great. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do I need these ones? No, because I only need 3. I can put the other ones away. I can stop counting when I say 3. Ooh, now I have this die, and I want to see if I can find the side that has 3 with it on it. So this one has how many? 1. So that's not the side we need. What about this side? How many dots does it have? Just 2, so that's not the side we need either. What about this side? Let's count the dots and see. 1, 2, 3. We got it. It says 3. Great job, everyone. I wouldn't have been able to find it without your help. Now let's take a look at this cube. And I found the number 3. This is the number we're going to learn how to write today. How exciting. I'm going to put that right there in the middle so we can see we have 3 markers, 3 bears, 3 squares, and 3 dots. There's so many different ways we can show 3. Now let's learn how to write 3. I'm going to put all of my stuff to the side. I have a fun rhyme for you to learn the number 3. And we learned one from yesterday for the number 2. Do you remember it? Something about a railroad track. If you remember it, send it in your seesaw activity. Here's the one I'm going to show you today. It's for the number 3. It goes like this. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. And where do you start your numbers? At the top. Where do you start your numbers? At the top. Whenever you start your numbers, it's always, always the same. Where do you start your numbers? At the top. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. Very good. And I want you to fill up this whole page with 3s. Lots and lots and lots of them. Also, I want you to notice that when I go around the tree the first time, I stop at this dotted line. So my first half is up here in the top of this dotted line. And then when I go around the tree again, I stop at the solid line. So my 3 stays inside those 2 parts of those lines. That'll help your 3s look really nice if you follow those directions. And where do you start your numbers? At the top. Oh yes. Where do you start your numbers? At the top. Whenever you write your numbers, it's always, always the same. Where do you start your numbers? At the top. Let's practice with our counting person again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yay! You're doing some really great hard work, boys and girls. I can't wait to see what you do on Seesaw.